What's up everybody, this is Alexander Moreno with the product review. So here today we have the sandpaper. This is the item right here, 30 pieces. It starts off with 2000 grit. It came in this packaging right here. If you guys are wondering how it ships directly from Amazon. I purchased this because I'm going to be doing some headlight restoration. I do mobile detailing, so this is a great way to do any type of restoration or finish work. This would be like the prep part. You have your 2000 grit, then you have your, it looks like that, your 3000 grit. 3000 grit looks like that. 5000 grit. 5000 grit looks like that. 7000 grit. 7,000. Wow, this is it's very fine. It's almost like construction paper, but it is abrasive, and this is the final 1000 grit sandpaper right here. You can use this for wood, you can use this for you know, plastics, any type of finishing work, but I would highly recommend to, you know, probably stick with the wood and the plastics. I don't know about metals. I mean, I've never used it on anything like that. So me personally, this is just, you know, the final step for finishing wood, or the first step for finishing a clear plastic, such as like a headlight or anything like that. So thank you for watching this review. What I'm going to be doing when I refinish the headlight is starting with probably the 2000 grit, then go, you know, just one step at a time, so that way I can just refine and polish out the scratches as I go along. And yeah, so I'm gonna go ahead and put everything back in the packaging. It comes in this packaging. As you can see, it's a pretty nice size per sheet. It's about the size of my hand, so it's perfect. Alrighty guys, be sure to pick this item up, and thank you for watching.